Hello and welcome to Back to Coding. In the previous video, we saw the importance of equals and hash code methods. In this video, we will see data classes in Kotlin. Earlier, we saw the use of equals and hash code methods in Java. Let's add one more method to it, which is toString method. Just type toString and hit enter. Now let's call our toString method. And run it. And as you can see here, it has printed the whole instance. Now just look at the length of the program. Here we have overridden equals, hash code and toString methods. This is a data class in Java. There are so many lines of code written here, right? Now let's see how we declare a data class in Kotlin. That's it, and we are done. This is how we declare a data class in Kotlin. Did you see how many lines of code are being reduced and how efficient Kotlin is? Now let's see whether all the things which we saw in our previous video works the same here. First we will see whether toString is present by default. Let's run it. And yes, it has printed the instance properly. Now let's check for equals and hash code methods. So as you can see, both are working properly. Equals method has returned true and hash code method has returned the same hash code for both of the instances. Data class is a simple class which is used to hold data and contains some standard functionality and utility functions. Data classes are declared using the keyword data. The data class internally has the following set of functions, which are equals, hash code, toString, component and copy function. So because of the presence of above functions internally, Kotlin's data class eliminates the boilerplate code. To ensure consistency, data classes have to fulfill the following requirements. The primary constructor should have at least one parameter. Parameters of primary constructor need to be marked as val or var. Data classes cannot be abstract, open, sealed or inner. Before 1.1, data classes may only implement interfaces. Component functions generated for data classes enable their use in destructuring declarations. We can extract the data from a data class using destructuring declaration. We just have to assign a variable for each property in one statement like this. Also, we can use component functions which allows us to treat objects' properties as an individual value, which is something like this. Let's see all these things practically. And as you can see here, both ways prints the instance's properties. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't to get more such informational videos. Please give it a like, share it with your friends and comment down your thoughts below. And don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.